Date Coding Machine DC24 is an enhanced smart TTO product designed for the leapfrog upgrade of traditional TTO. In addition to use it to easily complete the printing of production date, shelf life, series number, batch number, time, accurate to seconds, etc. You can also print any 1D code, 2D code, product traceability code, logo, graphics and other content as needed. Characteristic of Date Coding Machine DC24, easy and quick installation, can directly replace the traditional TTO, the mobile phone controls the coding, and there is no need for cumbersome operations, such as typesetting, except the replacement of ribbon, start and play immediately without heating, stable printing quality without puncture of packaging materials, and unclear printing, by ribbon utilization. And the intelligent control of ribbon operation, enables ribbon not to run empty, high-speed printing, low print costs, coding time and batch number, can be updated automatically to avoid human errors, misprinting and omission, printing real-time time, Chinese and English characters, numbers, dots, etc.